This is a beautiful Gasgas 85 that we put together. Holographic in the diamond of the Diamond MX logo. Looks beautiful, if I do say so myself. And yeah, really focusing in on that logo and those raw finish pipes. Gotta love those things. You know, hitting the graphics right there with a little bit of heat to make sure they're stuck good. And we've worked on the templates. This is the third generation template that we have for this current generation bodywork for the Gasgas and KTM 85, and it fits beautiful. Minor trimming, just here and there, because if you put the graphics on with the plastic off the bike, they'll cover totally perfect. If you put them on with them on the bike, there's some overlaps in the plastic that it's easier to trim it than not. And it's hard to get the graphics lined up 100% perfect every time. So we just like to take and trim any edges that are hanging off, just so that they don't get caught on your leg or roost catches and starts working its way under. Just going around the graphic after you've applied it and making sure you can't catch your finger on the edge, and if you can, trimming that edge off. That'll help your graphics last a lot longer. Even though we love making graphics, we like to make our graphics last as long as possible. And another thing, please wait to put SC1 or a similar silicone spray on your bike until after the graphics have been on for at least 2 days. Otherwise, they can shorten the life of your graphics drastically. But after 2 days, lube them up with the SC1, your bike will look beautiful for years.